So editing in Wikidata with Wikimedia Commons value. So so basically here we see this is or element that represented Miss Yamamoto. Now we have here we have image, so we have associated. Let's go here and let's change that. But I will just keep this first part, and I will cut it. So basically, when you create a new declaration and you choose like image, which is the P18, then you can start to type here the name. And once you do, it will show you all the files which has this text in it. And of course, what we want is the first file. And this is really like, we could use a reference. We could add, we could add like a qualifier for this declaration. So, well, it was retrieved at this date, or, and then we can publish it. Okay, so this is a reference when, well, actually, I've added yesterday, so probably I could put the 7th of October instead. But we see here we have our triple. So it's about the page Q 98372549. So that is our first element of the triple. Then the property is image, and the value is actually Wikicommon file picture. So so basically, this is for adding a picture into a Wikidata item. Now, there's also logos which are interesting to put. So basically, let's I did get this logo image. So this one, I took it from the website. So you see here the TR. This is a logo. So let's go here and let's add a reference. And let's say that this was retrieved at this page here. So basically here I have the logo, and I say there's a reference. You can find the logo at this page. So basically, those are the two main properties for using image as value. Now, there's also other properties that are important or interesting. There's the common gallery. We don't have a gallery about Yoko, but there's the common category. So we have created this category. So I will take the name of the category. I will go back here, oops, into the Wikidata item, and I will add a statement, and I will say Commons category page. Now I will paste this, publish, whoops. It doesn't like my link. Let's correct that. Is this just the space or? Yeah, so those are, you cannot put underscore, you really got to put spaces. So now, and we could also add, there's 3 other commons. There's the creator page property, and there's also the commons gallery here property that we've shown. So basically, this does the link to say, well, this contains a category that is only about Maiko Yamamoto. So so basically, those are the way you can enter into Wikidata, either pictures, which is the very the most important thing you will do, link pictures to your Wikidata items. Or you could also create triples. You can create statements about categories, creator page, and the gallery page on Commons. Okay, so this is the end of the part 4 of the workshop. Is there some question about that?
So in past workshops, we've seen that references are quite important because sometimes for Google Knowledge Cards or for Wikimedia info boxes, the structured data will not be populated automatically in those cards and boxes unless there's a reference.
Yes.
Do you absolutely need that for a photo of a person or of a play? And what would be the right references? Like you showed one example with the date retrieved. Are there other potential references that we could use? For example, the portrait that we just uploaded today. What would be a proper reference for that?
Well, sometimes, like if the picture already exists on the internet, putting a URL to where it is displayed, that's a good one. The date retrieve is also a good one. But this is really general. It could be also affirmed in either a book or something else. So there's a few. I don't understand why it doesn't show me more. Let's say stated in is another one could be used, or a statement supported by. So there's other, but this is really general about Wikidata. I would put the date for sure to give at least a minimal reference, so that tools do not discard the information because there's no reference. If you have an URL from the web page, I would put that for sure. Or otherwise, you can put, well, it's stated by, and then you put the entity that provide you the picture, or that can assert that the picture is really related to Miss Yamamoto.